Hello. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new pattern design tool within our 2022 version of vertexbd. To utilise the pattern design tool, you will need your own option as shown. Firstly, let's activate the framing tool for the pattern design tool from within the browser. Once we've completed that, we can add the required framing tool to our required layer. In a basic vertexbd environment, we have different bricks and different patterns. There are 3 area patterns and 4 edge patterns. There are also selections for outer, inner and opening edge patterns. Once we have added our framing tool as required, we generate our panels for our framing model and then generate our parts. Once we have generated our panels and parts, deselect the visibility of non-required layers. Now with this completed, we have generated bricks into our panels. With the marking tool, you can see non-standard parts are selected with a colour. In this case, those non-standard parts are yellow. You can change the properties of the bricks manually, brick by brick if required. After changing any of these, you can see if it is standard or not. If required, you can change it back to standard. Within the panel drawing view, you can create line filters for bricks as required for your project. For example, bricks by colour. Bold ones are non-standard bricks. You can also show these non-standard bricks separately by their own line property set. Bricks now have their own schedule for panel drawings with the colour as detailed within your project. If you require, you can also export and print an Excel report of any required bricks with the desired properties you like. Check out our other videos for our other great improvements and features of our 2022 version of vertexbd.